Hi friends, welcome to my channel, that is Versatile with Ethna. Today I am here with my another recipe, that is chicken pakora. This is the chicken which I have taken. This is 500 grams of chicken, boneless, and which I have marinated only with some lime because vinegar is not available with me. So I have just tried it out with lemon. Okay, so let's start. So now I'll be adding some egg, after that ginger and garlic paste and salt I'll be adding. Let's start. So friend, you can see I have already added one egg because I am doing it in one hand, so it's not possible for me to show you each and everything. So now you can see here I am adding garlic paste. Okay, this is garlic paste which I am adding with it. According to the taste you require to add. Yes. Please ignore the background music. Yes, that is enough. Garlic paste. And now ginger paste is also required. So before that, right now I am adding some oil because my pan is already heated. So without wasting the time, now I am adding, this is Emami Healthy and Tasty white oil. Yeah, this amount of oil is required for making any chicken pakora, because this is the flat surface of this pan, it is very difficult to fry. So now back to Baba. Now I am adding some ginger paste. Already added some garlic paste. Now I am adding some ginger paste also. Yes, you can add some this is chili powder, but here I am not using any chili powder. Now I am adding some salt to it. Now I am adding some besan, because corn flour is not available with me, so I am just doing this with some besan and with some sattu. Okay, so let's try this out. Acha, in the meanwhile I am already adding some salt according to the taste which I have already added. Here if you want you can add some sauce, you can add it, but I don't like. I like, but the thing is that at the time of frying it's burnt so easily, so that is why I am not using tomato sauce or ketchup. So here very less amount of sugar is required, so I am adding it. Now it's need to be mixed well, like this way. I am using my own hand, so that because it is get easy for me, because I am not able to mix with the help of spoon. It is not possible for me. I always try to use my own hand. So like this way, yes, it has already done for frying. So just come up with the fry. Yes, my dear friend, already the oil is heated. Now it's required much more heat. So let's wait for 1 minute. because in induction. It will take time. So now it's already heated. So now one by one I am giving the little happiness, because this is the snack and for everyone they are very liking it. Here I am not using onion paste or something. Here I am using only ginger and garlic paste, and which is easily available at your home, because this is the lockdown period. So each and every time it's not possible for everyone to get each and everything, each and every ingredients to keep at your home. And those who are following me, they already know that I'm starting the new household here. So each and everything is new for me here, and so that it is not possible for me to get each and every ingredients at my home. So which is available with me, I would like to do it by this only, and which I can assure you, this is also very nice to eat. You can make this at your home for your snacks, for your babies. They definitely like this, because nowadays babies are very fond of having chicken, mutton and all, egg, everything they are very fond of. So it is better to be do at your home for them. Like this way, it is need to be fried it well. So I'll be coming back with the fried chicken pakoras. Okay. So friends, I have already fried off all the pieces, so they can fry it well from both the sides. It's need to be. So it is almost ready to eat. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes to be cooked well. Now it is ready to eat. You can see this. Yeah. With a finger of tips, you can. It is easily broken. Ooh, too hot. Ooh. Very easy. Very easy. Yes. So friend, if you like my video, if you like my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel. এত ইয়ে আসছে কেন কি জানে ব্রাইটনেস yeah, now it is okay. So you can see, I don't know what is going on that time. So it is, you can see it is easily broken, and it can be the taste of it. It's awesome. So friends, if you like my channel, if you like my video, please do subscribe it and share my video. And if you have any suggestions, please give the comments in the comment section box. So till then, have a nice day, have a wonderful day. Tata, bye bye.